Just as the waves are not separate from the ocean, we too are not separate from existence. We are made of the same silent essence that breathes through stars, winds, and mountains. There is no barrier between the self and the universe, only the illusion of separation. When we turn inward, we find we are not a lost fragment, but the whole itself in motion. The breath, the stillness, the space between thoughts, all reveal this unity. There is nothing to seek outside. Truth already lives within. We are the ocean in the form of a wave, eternity dancing in the moment. Returning to the center is remembering. You already are what you seek. Before words, before names and forms, you already were. Before any thought arose, being simply existed, silent, whole, present. No definition can reach it, for it dwells beyond the borders of language. It whispers in the space between thoughts. In the deepest stillness, where no effort or desire stirs, it rests, like the sky embracing clouds without ever becoming one. You are that, the unmoving depth beneath all mental waves, the presence that sees without judging, the being that comes before all stories. To return to it is to remember a freedom untouched by time. Observing the mind is like sitting by a river, watching the water flow. There's no need to dive in, swim, or resist. Just observe. Thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky, and you still are the sky that holds them all. With no tension, no effort, rest your attention in the present moment. The mind may stir, but you remain. Don't fight the thoughts. Let them rise and fade, like waves returning to the ocean. In pure observation, without judgment, clarity is born. And in that clarity, peace finds its home. Silence watches all, and in that silence, you remember who you are. Thoughts, memories, and desires are like shadows cast upon an invisible screen. They dance before us, tempting, confusing, yet they are not real. The mind projects endlessly, like a film without end, but something remains unchanged. The silent screen upon which all unfolds. When we stop chasing the images, we begin to see the purity of awareness, vast, still, awake. True peace arises here, not by controlling thoughts, but by knowing you are not them. You are the quiet background where all comes and goes, leaving no trace. Within us lies a space where all is seen, yet nothing is judged. When we stop identifying with the thoughts that come and go, we touch something deeper, the silence that observes. In this stillness, there is no effort, just a quiet presence, witnessing the mind's dance and life's unfolding. We are not the movements. We are the one who calmly watches. This silent witness is pure awareness, in harmony with the universe. It is the light that never fades, even as everything around it changes. Here, we find the freedom of simply being. The now is not a place to reach. It is the home we've never left. Before all thoughts, within dreams and in the depth of sleep, the now remains. To be the now is to let go of every pursuit, even the longing to be present. It is to rest as the untouched screen of existence, where all arises but nothing clings. You are this eternal moment, not the passing story, but the space where all unfolds, silent, pure, unchanging. The supreme truth is not in time. It is in you, the stillness where time dissolves. You are not what comes and goes. You are the space where all things pass. Thoughts, emotions, events. They rise and fall, but something remains. the silent witness, consciousness. When you recognize yourself as that presence and not the forms appearing within it, a gentle freedom awakens. Life flows with ease, no longer heavy, but graceful. Drama loses its grip. The mind softens. And the being, once hidden, shines clear. To live as consciousness is to rest in peace with everything, attached to nothing. To live as consciousness is to walk lightly, even through storms. When we no longer identify with the body or the mind, we discover a freedom untouched by the world. Pain may come, joy as well, but the being remains like the sky, vast, silent, untouched by passing clouds. Nothing can bind what is pure space. Resting in presence, we feel the peace of simply being. And in that stillness, everything falls into place. True freedom is not achieved. It is remembered the moment we stop identifying with what changes. All that we see, meetings, wins, sorrows, and laughter, is part of a great cosmic dance. The stage is consciousness, and we are actors wearing brief costumes, yet holding an eternal essence. We play our roles with grace, but never forget who we are behind the masks. The silent space where the dance unfolds. Nothing is fixed. Nothing defines us. We are the presence that witnesses life's movement. And when we dance with that awareness, each step becomes sacred. There is a peace untouched by circumstance. A silent stillness that does not tremble with the noise of the world. When we rest in that serene space, nothing can harm us, and everything takes on new light. To remain as this peace is to live in freedom. Words become gentle, actions gain meaning, and even silence begins to speak. This peace cannot be kept. It radiates. Those who touch it transform their surroundings. Those who live it inspire without trying. For when we become this peace, the world around us gently begins to quiet too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.